Good morning all of you. In the previous session we have seen the vocabulary from the lesson Little Hearts. Today we are going to see grammar from the same lesson Little Hearts from your textbook, that is page number 42. Page number 42. Here observe the following examples. Observe the following examples. It says she is singing and is she singing. She is singing, it is a continuous tense. Is she singing is an interrogative sentence. They are coming, are they come? It is like questioning. They are coming, it's like a statement that we are saying that somebody is coming. Are they coming? It's like we are questioning that somebody is coming or not. See, here it says change the following statements into questions. We need to change the following statements into questions. See, you can also see this in your study materials in page number 99. In page 99, here he has given 6 statements. We need to change those statements into questioning sentences. See, the children are playing. We need to change this statement into interrogative sentence. Interrogative means questioning sentence. See, the children are playing. How we can change this one? Are the children playing? Are the children playing? You can see this in your study materials in page number 99. The children are playing. How can we change this into questioning sentence or interrogative sentence? Are the children playing? Right? We are asking, are the children playing? We are questioning them. Second one, students are waiting for their bus. This is a direct statement. Students are waiting for the bus. How can we change into questioning sentence? Are the students waiting for their bus? Are the students waiting for their bus? It is in interrogative sentence. The teacher is walking slowly. Third one, the teacher is, we are asserting or we are stating a statement that teacher is walking slowly. How we can we change this into questioning sentence? Is the teacher walking slowly? We are questioning, is the teacher walking slowly? And fourth one, they are drinking water. They are drinking water. How can we change this into interrogative sentence or questioning sentence? Are they drinking water? Are they drinking water? Always remember, interrogative sentence or questioning sentences starts with the capital letter and ends with a question mark because they are interrogative sentence. Next, fifth one, Usha is cleaning her room. It's a statement. We are only saying that Usha is cleaning her room. How can we convert into questioning sentence? Is Usha cleaning her room? Right? Is Usha cleaning her room is a question. Right? Next, sixth one, the girl is preparing tea. It is a statement. We are saying that the girl is preparing tea. But how can we convert into questioning sentence? How does it look? Right? Is the girl preparing tea? Is the girl preparing tea is a questioning form of that statement. Next, we have degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Right? See. Here in degrees of comparison, the adjective change in form to show comparison. The adjective change in form to show comparison. How? They are called 3 degrees of comparison. That is V1, V2, V3. Example, see, tall, taller, tallest. Tall is V1. We are comparing tall. Second degree of comparison. He is taller than this tall. This tallest is taller than taller, right? V1, V2, V3. This is the three forms of the degree of comparison. See. Read the following sentences that are given there. Gopal is the tallest in the class. We are comparing Gopal with the other students in the class. We are stating that Gopal is the tallest boy in the class than any other in the class. We are comparing him to the other students, right? Rani is cleverer than Ramya. See, this degree of comparison is between two people, right? In the second statement, Rani is cleverer than Ramya. In the first case, we are comparing to the entire class that Gopal is the tallest among all the students in the class, but in the second statement we are saying that that comparison is between two people, that Rani is cleverer than Ramya. In the third statement, my house is as big as yours. Size and length and also intelligence we are comparing, right? See, in sentence 1, adjective tallest denotes the superlative degree. Superlative degree. In sentence 2, the adjective clever denotes the comparative degree. In sentence 3, the adjective big denotes the positive degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. This V1, V2, V3, it is also called a positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Basing on this, he has given some sentences here, right? Read the following sentence and point out the adjectives and name the degree of comparison of each. See, the trains run faster than bus. Trains run faster than bus. See here, faster. Trains run faster than buses. Faster is the degrees of comparison, and it is an adjective. It is an adjective and it is a comparative degree. It is a comparison between train and a bus, so it is a comparative degree, right? Lead is the heaviest metal. Lead is the heaviest metal. Here, heaviest is the adjective and it is a V2 verb or V2 comparison, degrees of comparison, that is superlative degree. Superlative degree. And third one, Hari is the laziest boy in the class. Hari is the laziest boy in the it is also an adjective. Adjective qualifies a noun, right? Yeah. Laziest, lazy, lazier, laziest. It is also a superlative degree. Superlative degree. And fourth one, two little girls are wiser than the older people. Older people. Wiser, wise, wiser, wisest. It is a comparative degree. It is a comparative degree. Comparative degree. Next, fifth one. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. Here, highest, high, higher, highest. It is a superlative degree. Superlative degree. Iron is more useful than copper. Iron is more useful than copper. Here, more useful. More useful means more, most, most. Here, more is comparative degree. More is comparative degree. Comparative degree. Seventh one, this is the most interesting story. Most interesting means it is a superlative degree. And last one, Ooty is cooler than Chennai. Ooty is cooler than Chennai. Means cooler, it is a comparative degree. Cooler, it is a comparative degree. Yeah, we'll see the remaining in the next session.